I was talking to a client about learning from people who have done what you are aspiring to do. And he brought an immediate objection. Why would they want to talk to me? And in the past, I myself have wondered about that. And I found two reasons people love talking to me or anybody else. Number one, you don't just extract value and what is useful from them, but in a way, you provide something for them also. It could sometimes be validating some of the frustrations or feelings they have. It doesn't have to be big, but provide something valuable for them. And it requires we listen to what will be helpful for them. And the second, more important reason people love mentoring and talking to other people is when other people implement their advice. Let me give an example. I was talking to a VC in a large firm and he suggested a book to me. And the next time we met, I had read the book. And he was very happy to meet again and discuss what I learned, what I got stuck on. So if I follow people's advice and next time go back and build on what they talked about last time, people are generally very happy to be talking to me. So don't talk to people just to pick their brains, but once you pick their brains, make some change in your life. Go back and report to them and they would love to talk with you more. People who are genuinely successful and feel secure love sharing their wisdom and point of view with others. And this advice will help you talk to such people with more ease.